Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Maito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Are you ready to explore the rugged world of Jeep vehicles? Today, we're diving into the top 10 most reliable Jeep models that have stood the test of time and terrain. From iconic Wranglers to versatile SUVs, we'll uncover the gems that combine performance, durability, and adventure. So buckle up as we embark on a journey through Jeep's finest. Number 1. 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Kicking off our list is the 2015 Jeep Wrangler, hailed as the pinnacle of reliability among the JK generation. With its robust construction and go-anywhere attitude, this Wrangler strikes the perfect balance between rugged capability and modern comfort. Whether you're cruising the city streets or tackling off-road trails, the 2015 Wrangler delivers an unmatched driving experience. Number 2. 2007 Jeep Commander. Next up, we have the 2007 Jeep Commander, a true powerhouse that commands attention on and off the road. Despite being discontinued, the Commander remains a sought-after SUV thanks to its spacious interior and formidable performance. Whether you're hauling gear or ferrying passengers, the Commander proves its reliability time and time again. Number 3. 2011 Jeep Patriot. Venturing into compact SUV territory, we encounter the 2011 Jeep Patriot, a versatile ride that punches above its weight class. With its affordable price tag and capable demeanor, the Patriot embodies Jeep's spirit of adventure without breaking the bank. Whether you're embarking on a road trip or navigating urban jungles, the 2011 Patriot has you covered. Number 4. 2020 Jeep Renegade. In the realm of subcompact SUVs, the 2020 Jeep Renegade reigns supreme as a formidable contender. Boasting off-road prowess and city-friendly dimensions, the Renegade strikes a perfect balance between capability and convenience. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or running daily errands, the Renegade proves that big adventures come in small packages. Number 5. 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Moving up the ranks, we encounter the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a versatile SUV that excels in every environment. With its refined styling and impressive performance, the Grand Cherokee offers a luxurious driving experience without compromising on reliability. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Grand Cherokee is the ultimate companion for all your adventures. Number 6. 2020 Jeep Compass. Steering into the compact SUV segment, we discover the 2020 Jeep Compass, a stylish ride that combines affordability with dependability. With its sleek design and robust construction, the Compass stands out as a top choice for drivers seeking reliability and versatility. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new horizons, the Compass ensures a smooth and reliable journey every time. Number 7. 2018 Jeep Cherokee. As we delve deeper into Jeep's lineup, we encounter the 2018 Jeep Cherokee, a timeless classic that continues to set the standard for compact crossover SUVs. With its iconic design and innovative features, the Cherokee offers a blend of style, performance, and reliability that's hard to beat. Whether you're cruising the open road or forging new paths, the Cherokee is always up for the challenge. Number 8. 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Looking towards the future, we find the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a symbol of innovation and excellence in the SUV market. With its cutting-edge technology and unrivaled performance, the Grand Cherokee redefines what it means to be a reliable SUV. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply enjoying the journey, the Grand Cherokee delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Number 9. 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Rounding out our list is the 2021 Jeep Gladiator, a rugged pickup truck that's built to tackle the toughest terrain with ease. With its robust construction and powerful engine options, the Gladiator is the ultimate choice for off-road enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance. Whether you're hauling cargo or conquering trails, the Gladiator is always ready for action. Number 10, 2022 Jeep Wrangler. Last but not least, we have the 2022 Jeep Wrangler, a legendary icon that continues to push the boundaries of off-road excellence. With its unmatched capability and unwavering reliability, the Wrangler remains the benchmark for adventure seekers around the world. Whether you're exploring rocky trails or cruising the open highway, the Wrangler is the ultimate companion for all your adventures. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most reliable Jeep models that have stood the test of time and terrain. From iconic Wranglers to versatile SUVs, Jeep continues to inspire drivers with its commitment to performance, durability, and adventure. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.